Meaning of finish.
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 Finish. The word finish means to complete or bring to an end. It implies that a task or activity has reached its intended conclusion, and there is no further action required. The result of finishing something can vary depending on the context in which it is used. For example, finishing a race may result in winning or losing, finishing a project may result in success or failure, and finishing a meal may result in feeling satisfied or still feeling hungry. In general, finishing something implies a sense of accomplishment and closure.